everything is new. All right. And that may be partly true, but oftentimes, and this has happened even in other areas, not only in ECE or in communications, but you look at even physics or maths. Sometimes people figure out that what they have come across a new result is perhaps related to a result which was there 50 years back or 100 years back. So I'm trying to give you a perspective on what I believe is new about 5G, and in that sense, share my perspective with you. So once again, I wish the program all success, and I'm happy to see Mr. Narsimha Reddy, Narsimha Badri, student of Professor Ashoka Reddy, also taking keen interest in organizing this. So again, it's a delight to be here, and all of you, I wish you, of course, Shankaranti just got over.
Yeah.
Best wishes for
Great, sir. Great, sir.
Shankaranti, and
Thank you
have a
so much.
great year. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation. Now I request Professor B. Ramadevi, Madam, at the Department of ECE, to speak on this occasion.
Thank you, Narasimha. Thank you very much. So, good evening to you all, respected principal, coordinator of this STTP, Professor K. Ashoka Reddy, today's chief guest, Professor K. Giridhar sir, beloved secretary and correspondent, Captain V. Lakshmi Rao sir, and treasurer, Sri P. Narayan Reddy sir, co-coordinator B. Narasimha, all ECE department faculty, and participants of the STTP. A warm welcome to you all. On behalf of Kids Warangal and Department of ECE, I congratulate all the participants for selecting our STTP hands-on project-based approach for 5G design and development using MATLAB Phase 3 program. Professor K. Ashoka Reddy sir and Sri B. Narasimha organized the STTP Phase 1 and Phase 2 successfully with eminent professors from IITs, NITs, universities, and as well as internal faculty who has a very good domain knowledge in 5G. Similar way, they planned this phase 3 very well to meet all the expectations of all the participants. So the participants will expose to the systematic methodology to be followed for research in 5G, latest algorithms and developments in 5G. So I request all the participants to attend the sessions regularly and try to implement few algorithms explained in this STTP in your future research as well as UG and PG projects. And I want to, as a head of the department, I should introduce my department of ECE. The department of ECE was established in 2000 with an intake of 49 and subsequently increased to 180. ECE department offers two PG programs, MTech DC and as well as MTech CESP with an intake of 30 each. The Department of ECE is having three Center of Excellences, Transfinity iLab and TIIC, and as well as the Blackboard Center of Excellency. And we have very well supported the alumni across the world. And Department of ECE is going to organize a Springer International Conference, ICDET 2021 in July 15 and 16. So the conference proceeding will be published in LNDEC, which is indexed by the Scopus. So Professor K. Ashoka Reddy sir is the chairman for this, chair for this. So I request all the participants to submit their research papers to this conference and be connect with the Department of ECE. Congratulations to all of you and all the best to you. Thank you. Thank you, Narasimha. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you for your contributions for the participants. Thank you, sir. Now I propose the vote of thanks for this program. On behalf of our Department of ECE Kids Warangal, I thank New Delhi for granting the funds and timely approvals to conduct this program. I express my heartfelt thanks to our kind management, especially our beloved Secretary Sir, Secretary and Correspondent Captain V. Lakshmi Rao Sir, MP Rajya Sabha, and Sri P. Narayan Reddy sir, Treasurer Kids Warangal, for their continuous support in conducting this type of events. I would like to thank Professor K. Giridhar sir, IIT Madras, who has consented to be chief guest of today's program. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation. I would like to thank our beloved principal and coordinator for this STTP, Professor K. Ashok Reddy sir, for his continuous support. I would like to thank Dr. B. Ramadev Madam, Head Department of ECE, for her constant support and encouragement in shaping out this program. I would like to thank all the committee members of STTP for their support, and I extend my gratitude to our ECE department faculty and staff for their contribution. Finally, I thank all the participants for showing their interest in attending this program. A happy learning. Thank you all. Now, I request all the participants to stay online to listen the expert talk by Professor K. Giridhar sir, and who is going to speak on 5G. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Narasimha. Thank you very much. So, dear colleagues, participating STTP colleagues, I hope you are all ready with notes, pen and all. Professor Giridhar sir will be interacting with us for another 1.5 hours. So, sir, shall we go ahead with your interaction, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. So, can my screen be shared, Narasimha? Can you just allow that?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
The title slide? Yeah. Okay. So let me make it full screen. Please let me know if you can see it properly. Is it clear?